Hi guys, today we're gathering around for limited edition LOL Surprise Pearl Surprise. Now this is not a circle, it's flat on the other side. It's really cool. Let the unboxing begin! Hey, over here. Me first. Okay, this one says me first. So I'm gonna open this one first. I really like these balls. They're kind of like pearls. And yes, this was my birthday present. Ooh, it's like a little skirt. It's really ruffly. It's got some layered ruffle skirts. I'll do the one that says hey over here. Hey over here. So I'm opening this one. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh my gosh! These tiny shoes. They're like sandals. They're really nice. I'm gonna put them here. So we don't have a whole outfit yet. Okay, here. I'm gonna open this. Ooh, there's another pair of shoes. So I guess they could like both match or something. Oh my gosh, this is really cute top. I don't know. I think it'll match with this. Okay. And then we've got this one. Okay, this one is going here. There. Here. Yeah, that matches. There. I don't know, guys. I don't know what's what. Okay, this is the last one, guys. Oh! It's the shirt. Okay, this goes here with this. And then now I know this goes like that, I think that's how it is. Now I think I'm gonna open this one. Dunk me, guys. We're gonna put this in water. Okay, we're gonna get a really big bowl of water, guys. Come on, let's go. Let's get it. Okay, guys. So I got the water, and we're doing this like the instructions asked. And now I'm gonna get my scissors, and then make sure you have parent supervision when you're working with sharp or hot objects, things, and make sure you have parent supervision. What we do it to reveal the surprise to hopefully get the LOL dolls. Okay, ready guys? We got ice, water. Whoa, that's so cool. It's fizzing up, guys. Wow. This is so cool, guys. It's like, oh my gosh, guys, the water is turning orange. It's like orange over here and then it's like fading into red. It's really cool. Guys, this is so cool. I'm gonna put like ice on it here because it said to put ice water. And we're not using it in the bath because like you don't want to bathe in ice cold water. That would be like really not fun. Opened a bath bomb.
Whoa.
This next one's kind of hard.
Whoa.
Whoa, I did it in halves.
Whoa.
there's so many pieces.
Let's maybe take that to the sink. Rinse it out.
Yeah.
Okay. Whoa.
Oh my gosh, it sounds like it's boiling water. Okay, guys, so it's still my birthday. Just want to let you know. And we got the ice water ready. It was just normal water for the bath bomb, but who cares, right? So we're gonna open this, and then there's gonna be a surprise, okay? The seashell. Oh, and then we can take it out, and this will be like a doll stand. Guys, they're blind bags. Blind bags are the best, aren't they? Oh, and it's so wet because it was in the bath bomb in the water. I'm gonna get my scissors and we're gonna snip. Guys, this is treasure. We're gonna put her in the ice water and we're gonna watch her color change. Oh, I see a color change happening here. Gonna put her in the ice. Reveal your surprise. Treasure. Treasure, come on, treasure. Color change. You're taking forever. You're a treasure. Ooh, her face turned golden or something. No. Or is that how it was? Yeah, probably how it was. Yay! Look, do you see it? It's kind of hard to see. Oh, let me do the color. Come on. Color change. Color change. I force you to color change. Good. So she's color changed. Let's open up the next blind bag. Ah! Oh, 2 blind bags. Ooh, it's a little can. It's a pop can. Pop. And then I think this is the baby. I think this is Little Treasure, her little sister. Am I right, guys? Am I right? Is this Little Treasure? Is this Little Treasure? Yep, guys, it's Little Treasure. And she has a pacifier. I wonder if her pacifier... Yes, her pacifier changes color. And I think her hair does too. And her diaper... Oh, is she getting like a bikini on? I think I see a bikini. Somehow. Okay, guys. So this is Treasure. And this is Little Treasure. So we're going to put them together here. Okay. Putting them together here. Okay, guys. Now I'm going to dry them. And I'm also going to dry my hands. These are the dolls. And we're just going to get them dressed. So Treasure has 2 outfits, I guess. And we can like mix and match them up. So I think this would look really nice, this bikini top. Yeah. Ooh, that looks cute. Okay, now we're gonna switch this up and we're gonna do the other outfit. Isn't that adorable? Oh, I gotta push her skirt in. Oh my gosh. Skirt up. Come on, skirt, get up. No, I have it the right way. See the thing. Good. Okay, got it. So, yeah, that's what it looks like. And now I'm gonna do the shoes. So it says left. So I'm gonna do this one on the left, on her left. And then this one says R for right. So I'm gonna put this one on her right. So she will have her drinking cup. Pass them up. And then she has her pacifier. I don't think it's meant to be taken off her pacifier. So I'm just gonna lay these out and then we're gonna show you them right now. And then here. And then all these balls here. And then we have the stickers. Let the music play!